So a couple of weeks ago, I was at the range shooting my CMMG 22 long rifle AR conversion, and all of a sudden it made a like a poof sound, and then it wouldn't cycle. Rack it, fire it, rack it, fire it, just wouldn't cycle. Took it out, cleaned it, couldn't figure out what was wrong. Ended up just coming on home, and when I went to clean it, I noticed it's a little hard to see here. But there, you can see that line. That's not the light. That's actually a split all the way up. What they call the chamber adapter. Yeah. So I called CMMG. They said, just go online, put in a request, and within a couple weeks I had a brand new one. And then I noticed that there was a design change. This has a brass sleeve on it, and you can see a little ring there to hold it in place. This is milled out of one complete piece of metal, so they've obviously had some problems with this one and done a redesign. So really, I just wanted to mention that I had a failure, and that the customer service at CMMG was excellent and had me a new part within a week. So I'm really happy with that, and I really do enjoy firing this thing. It's a lot of fun. So if you're on the fence about buying one, do it. They're a blast, and CMMG has some great customer service.